Brabazon, Britain's giant that never took off. In the aftermath of World War II, Britain sought to reclaim its place as a leader in aviation. One of the most ambitious projects of that era was the Bristol Brabazon, a massive passenger aircraft designed to offer unmatched luxury and comfort in long-distance air travel. Though the Brabazon never entered commercial service, it remains one of the most iconic, what could have been, stories in aviation history. Designed to revolutionize long-distance air travel, the Brabazon was a product of great vision but ultimately became a symbol of overambition and changing technological landscapes. The Brabazon aircraft was conceived in the early 1940s during World War II. The British government established the Brabazon Committee in 1942, named after its chairman, Lord Brabazon of Tara. The committee was tasked with planning the future of British civil aviation after the war. One of its recommendations was to develop a large transatlantic airliner that could provide luxurious travel for the elite class, essentially an airborne ocean liner. Built by the Bristol Aeroplane Company, the aircraft was officially designated the Bristol Type 167 Brabazon. It was an enormous machine for its time, with a wingspan even larger than that of a Boeing 747. The Brabazon was powered by 8 Bristol Centaurus radial engines, paired into 4 twin-engine nacelles, driving contra-rotating propellers. Its vast fuselage was designed to carry around 100 passengers in first-class comfort, offering spacious seating, dining areas, and even a cinema. Features that reflected its aim to provide a luxurious experience rather than maximize capacity. The prototype first flew on September 4, 1949, from Filton Aerodrome. The flight was successful, and the aircraft showed excellent stability and performance for such a large plane. However, by the time it was airborne, the commercial aviation industry had changed drastically. Air travel was rapidly becoming more about efficiency, speed, and cost rather than luxury. The American aviation industry, especially companies like Douglas and Lockheed, had already begun producing more practical, economical airliners like the Douglas DC-6 and Lockheed Constellation. These aircraft could carry more passengers in less space and at higher speeds. The Brabazon's enormous size, high operating costs, and luxurious but outdated concept made it commercially unviable. Airlines had little interest in such an expensive and inefficient aircraft. No commercial orders were ever placed, and the project was eventually cancelled in 1953 after spending millions of pounds. The prototype was scrapped shortly afterward. Although a commercial failure, the Brabazon left a lasting legacy. It pushed the boundaries of British aerospace engineering and led to significant developments in aircraft design, materials, and manufacturing techniques. The large hangar and runway constructed for the Brabazon at Filton continued to be used for future British aircraft, including the Concorde. The Brabazon stands as a powerful reminder that innovation must match market demand. It was a bold dream, built with vision and technical brilliance, but it flew in the wrong direction at the wrong time. The Brabazon story also served as a cautionary tale about the risks of designing technology based on outdated assumptions. While it never entered commercial service, the Brabazon remains a fascinating chapter in the history of aviation, an example of bold vision met by the unforgiving realities of a rapidly changing world. Documentary by Untold Facts, from Morali Edutech. Thanks for viewing. Please share and subscribe to our channel.